I see your head too. I must see your head.
Well, like I said, if you look at what is happening in the plateau in the past few weeks and days, you can but only feel the pain of what we are going through in Nigeria. You listen to the governor. How can we have over 300 people die in a short space of time and the whole nation is not here to commiserate with Plateau State? It cannot happen. We're not at war. Even countries at war, I don't think have had that type of killing within this period. You can go and check the records, and we're not at war. It cannot happen. And that is why I'm here, to commiserate with the governor and the people of Plateau State, visit Pangu, do the same with the traditional ruler, and go to the IDP camp to reassure the people that this is our country. We have to care for each other. We have to ensure that we live in a peaceful place. Plateau used to be one of the most peaceful places in Federal Republic of Nigeria. It used to be a reference point for peace. How did this happen? These are things we must look into. Nigerians must live at peace, especially the less privileged Nigerians. Like I said, we want to create a Nigeria where a child of nobody will be somebody, will be able to live peacefully in a gainful, productive employment. That's what we want.
Any other question? Okay, so what is your message to the people of Nigeria on your birthday?
Well, for me, I thank God for the birthday. My message remains, we have no other country except this one. Let's work hard and build it for everybody. Let's make the sacrifice. Those of us who are privileged to be leaders, those of us who are privileged to be wealthy, this is time to make sacrifice. This is time for us to know that whatever we have is by grace of God. And that is time to sacrifice to ensure that that grace gets to other people.
Your message to the new service chiefs?
Do whatever you can to return a secured Nigeria to Nigerians. And to those of us in office, I keep saying it, we are privileged. Please, this is time to cut down the waste and let's use the resources for the poor people of Nigeria.